All right, so step one in any of our plan is to plan and organize, or your think step through your legal research. And Maureen Fitzgerald has written a text on legal problem solving, and she recommends this kind of structure as you're encountering a problem that you want to research. You should think through your parties. Who are the people involved in the problem? What are the parties' roles or occupations? Maybe what's the relationship between them? Do they have any special characteristics we should think about? If we're thinking about events, what occurred, when, where, what's the nature of the location where it occurred, and how did it occur? I used to get to do legal research training with a fantastic lawyer by the name of Greg Punn. And Greg used to tell this great story about how he did this big deep dive into these folks about a car accident that they'd experienced, and got really deep into the various law until they followed up the following day with the notation that the accident had happened in Washington and everything he'd done was useless. So you want to make sure that you can answer the what, when, where, the how kind of questions on your way. And then for claims, think through, what are the parties complaining of? That's different than what the parties are claiming, and could be different again than the injuries or harm, and what the defense to a claim could likely be. I want you to think about what's my area of law, what are my keywords, what resources do I know about? And probably my number one research tip that I engage with on a regular basis is just the big question, what's another way to think about this? So be a thesaurus. What's another word for it? What's another spelling? Okay, that's how I think about the problem. How might someone else think about the problem? And then in particular, if I'm actually trying to get to a specific resource, I'm going to imagine how the author would frame it. Is there another way of structuring it?